Hi, I'm Dr. Brandon from Exodus Health, and I'm very excited to share with you our new series going on at our office. Every month, we're going to have a topic which we're going to be focusing on to help get you healthy. Because so many people come in and they're wondering, hey, how do I lose weight? How do I deal with my allergy issues? How do I get my gut healthier? How do I make my back stronger? And so we want to give you guys the resources that you need to get healthy and stay healthy. And so what we're doing is every month it's going to be called Body Signals Workshop Series. And so this series will be different. And so this month will be different the next month. And every week we're going to have materials for you. We're going to give you research. We're going to give you testimonials. We're going to show you what the things that you need to do to get healthy and stay healthy. So stay tuned for that. You're going to start getting handouts in the office. This is going to help you take your health to the next level. And at the end of the month is when we'll actually have the live advanced workshop where we will be teaching you, and you will be able to come to that event and come with us for free. Bring a friend, bring a family member, bless someone that you know and that you love. And so the best way to stay in tune with us on that is like us on Facebook, our social media, and also make sure you check your email because that's where you'll get the most up-to-date information. I'm Dr. Brandon from Exodus Health, and we're excited to bring this new series to you.